हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम, नमस्ते, हाय हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? वंस अगेन आई एम हियर टू डू द बिटकॉइन ट्रेडिंग इन द लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग एंड I would love to see the levels again, but लास्ट नाइट मैंने आपको कुछ लेवल्स बताए थे कि अगर उन पे जाके ये रिजेक्ट होगा, इफ इट इज रिजेक्टेड ओवर देयर, देन इट्स अ गुड चांसेस ये जो बॉटम बनाएगा वो अम, देखोगे तो 66,500 तक जाने के चांसेस थे। तो अभी 66,500 वाली जोन में है, विच इज अ गुड थिंग। ठीक है, तो 6600 वाली अगर फाइव जोन में है ये, रे रिटेस्ट करने को आ चुका है एक बार और, राइट? तो अगर रिटेस्ट करेगा तो एक बार फिर से चांसेस है कि ऊपर। ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग वेट करेंगे इसके जो प्रॉपर लेवल्स हैं, इसको ये टैप करे एक बार 66,434। If it is touching 66,434, we will open a long position. It's very close right now on this zone, and I'm just waiting कि कब ये touch करेगा, तो we will open a long position here, और our first target will be this. मैं डाल देता हूँ आपको यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट सेट कर देते हैं, open long position if hit 66. लॉन्ग करेंगे भाई अगर ये 66,400 पे हिट करेगा तो। First target will be this 66,573. Yes, we will open a long position. So we'll wait for it, and the stop loss will be below. Stop loss 66,390. Yeah, somewhere in the middle we will open the position. हाँ, आएगा इस जोन को एक बार और रिटेस्ट करेगा, टैप करेगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा. स्टिल इट्स ऑन अ ट्रेंड लाइन. देख रहे हो आप, ये ट्रेंड लाइन पे जा रहा है. फर्स्ट पीटी दिस, सेकंड पीटी ये होगा हमारा 66,859. या दोज आर इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स. जब भी ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक करता है एक बार रिटेस्ट जरूर करता है. दैट्स अ बीटीसी थिंग. तो ये एक सप्लाई, यहाँ पे एक फिर एक सप्लाई जोन बना दी इसने. ठीक है. एक बार फिर नीचे जाएगा और इस वाले ये डिमांड जोन पे एक बार फिर से हिट करेगा, फिर से टैप करेगा वाले डिमांड जोन पे. चांसेस हैं पूरे. ये एक नया रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट किया है इसने 66,613 का. देख रहे हो आप यहाँ हो क्या रहा था, राइट. एंड एज आई सेड अगेन, इट इज ऑन द सेम लेवल. ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक करने का ट्राई कर रहा है. ट्रेंड लाइन यहाँ ब्रेक करी, रिटेस्ट करेगा, ब्रेक करेगा, रिटेस्ट करेगा, एंड देन इट विल शूट अप. रिस्की एंट्री लेनी हो तो ले सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्यों रिस्की एंट्री लेना यार. वेट फॉर वेट फॉर दी वेट फॉर योर टर्न. ये जो ग्रीन लाइन जोन देख रहे हो ना यार, ये लास्ट नाइट से मैंने क्रिएट करी थी, लास्ट नाइट से बनाई थी कि भाई ये हमारे वो रहेंगे. Yeah, news are always there. News pump and dump. It's always there in the market. We need to wait for the opportunity. The only thing is if it's crossed this particular level, that the next supply is at 66,858. तो वहां तक तो ये जाएगा. ठीक है. The US market will be open another 1.5 hour. ये वेट करेगा और फिर ऊपर जाएगा, वेट करेगा, ऊपर जाएगा. If the things are more clear to you, then it will be easy. We need to wait for our setup. Always wait for your setup. Cannot just blindly get in. See, here they are giving a fake pump because, as I said, until unless the retest will not be done, it will not touch the 66,400. It's not gonna go up. हाँ, प्राइस लेवल लगा सकते हैं यार। नहीं, ये देखो, इसने ये किया, रिटेस्ट किया, ठीक है, फिर एक बार ये रिटेस्ट करने का ट्राई करेगा इस जोन पे, और फिर ये फटेगा यहाँ पे। दैट्स व्हाट द प्लान इज। सो लेट्स सी। एंड स्टॉप लॉस हमने बता ही दिया आपका, स्टॉप लॉस इतना, और टारगेट लेवल्स हमारे सेट है 66,860। अच्छा, नीचे कितना जा सकता है अगर ये बाई चांस ये वाला अगर लेवल ब्रेक हुआ? नेक्स्ट है 66, ये नीचे बैठा है तुम्हारा एक और सपोर्ट जो है 66,300 पे, ठीक है, उसके नीचे भाई वाटरफॉल है। ट्रेंड तुम्हारा थोड़ा डाउन चल रहा है अभी, अगर 4 आवर्स में देखोगे। 4 आवर्स में क्या रहा एक बार देख लो। यू शुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द हायर ट्रेंड। तो 4 आवर में यार इसने, ये देखोगे आप, ये गैप ना इसने कवर कर लिया, देखो। हाँ, अब ट्रेंड में नहीं आया, बट इट्स कीप डूइंग दिस। ये एलियट वेव थ्योरी है, इसको फॉलो कर रहा है। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, पूरे 5 लगा दिए इसने, है ना। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ला के डाला यार, ऐसी एलियट वेव का मजा आएगा मतलब। यू विल फील बेटर लाइक व्हेन यू हैव समथिंग टू चेक ऑन योर ग्राफ्स। और एक ही ट्रेंड लाइन इसने बना दी यहाँ पे, है ना, तो इस ट्रेंड लाइन की ये रेस्पेक्ट करेगा, आई गेस, और कर रहा है अभी तक, ठीक है। और ये मेजर सपोर्ट है अगर मैं 4 आवर्स पे देखूँ तो 64,311 का। तो जो छोटा टाइम फ्रेम है, अगर मैं खाली 1 मिनट या 5 मिनट या 15 मिनट में देखूं, तो मेन तुम्हारी पोजीशन यहाँ बनती है ना। और ये 1 मिनट वाली है यार। 1 मिनट में कंफर्मेशन थोड़ी कम रहती है, राइट। शॉर्ट टाइम फ्रेम में ऐसे ही रहता है। बड़ा टाइम फ्रेम लोगे तो कंफर्मेशन कंफर्मेशन ज्यादा रहेगी, है ना। 3 मिनट लोगे तो और ज्यादा पता लगेगा आपको। ये देखो, ये नीचे है यहाँ पे, 3 मिनट में भी यहाँ पे ये इसकी सपोर्ट लेके चलेगा यार। यहाँ से अगर बाउंस नहीं हुआ तो गुड गुड चांसेस हैं। तो हम लोग क्या करें, एक रिस्क की पोजीशन ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि सुबह का टाइम है, मॉर्निंग टाइम में क्या होता है, जब भी यूएस ओपन होने वाला होता है, जब पंप होता है बिटकॉइन। हाँ, सिंपल सा है भाई। अगर 66,400 है ये, और ये नीचे स्टॉप लॉस बैठा हुआ है, इसके नीचे हम लोग नहीं लेंगे, सिंपल सी बात है। एक बार रिटेस्ट आएगा, रिटेस्ट को देखेंगे। हाँ, इस ट्रेंड लाइन पे एक बार और रिटेस्ट कर सकता है ये बहुत आराम से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारी ये स्मॉल छोटी सी सप्लाई यहाँ बैठी हुई है। इस जगह पे, है ना। तो इस सप्लाई को एक बार में ब्रेक नहीं करेगा। इसका कॉन्सेप्ट यही है कि सप्लाई कभी भी एक बार में ब्रेक नहीं होगी। अगर थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट भी, थोड़ा सा भी डाउन ट्रेंड है ना मार्केट में, तो इस सप्लाई को एक बार में ब्रेक नहीं करेगा। सप्लाई को कीप ऑन रिटेस्ट करता रहेगा, सपोर्ट दिखाता रहेगा। सपोर्ट दिखाता रहेगा, ऊपर की ट्राई करता रहेगा, सपोर्ट दिखाता रहेगा, ऊपर का ट्राई करता रहेगा। लास्ट से देखो इसी जोन में घूम रहा है। तो एक बार ये देखो, ये 66, अगर ये यहाँ पे इसने सपोर्ट तोड़ा ना, तो ये नेक्स्ट टारगेट ये होगा। अगर ये तोड़ा तो हम शॉर्ट पोजीशन ओपन कर देंगे फॉर श्योर। 66, 65, 839, ये फिर तो नीचे जाएगा भाई, और नीचे जाएगा। और देख लेते हैं स्पाई, देख लेते हैं स्पाई का क्या चल रहा है। अच्छा, यूएस मार्केट भी कुछ ज्यादा अप नहीं है यार, है ना। तो यूएस मार्केट भी कुछ ज्यादा अप नहीं है। Hello guys, yes, 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 welcome, welcome, welcome again. And again, we will be watching a SPY and Bitcoin also. तो SPY के levels are set हैं आज। कर क्या रहा है SPY? 544, 478. It is struggling here. This is our supply zone. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We just want to wait and watch. वॉच एंड वेट। यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे स्पाई क्या कर रहा है, बीटीसी क्या कर रहा है, व्हाट बीटीसी इज डूइंग, दैट्स important, like whenever you are doing any trading, like you need to be have aware with all the markets, what exactly going on in the market, and that's very important. So if I look out the spy, it's making, try to making support at 544 dot. This is our demand area right now on 1 minute. So 1 minute is not, very promising time frame. Always look for 5 minute or 15 minutes, right? So what's gonna happen is, as soon as the market open, I'm pretty sure like it's gonna be a 542 today, the way it is moving. And let's look at Tesla, what Tesla is doing. All right, guys. So, as I said, it opens red today or plus. 232, 233 pre-market is $1.23 up, which is not a huge up. If you look into the pre-market session, it goes up to here, which is 229.96, and over 15 minutes, let me see. 229.12. This is our demand zone for today. If it hit the Tesla hit 229, then it's a good chance we can try to look for a call position, or like if you want to buy. And if I look another time frame like 4 hours, we'll get our more levels. So in 4 hour, look at it, just trying to make a uptrend here. It's trying to make a uptrend. Yeah, look at this. So it is trying to shift the level, but how promising this is, we'll get to know once once the market opens. It's usually good chance. So this kind of is trying to make a bullish one, but and it can reach up to 256 easily, but it's all depend after looking at today's candle, right? We need more confirmation basically, because this is the candle you are seeing. You see this candle was the biggest candle ever. And if I look at it, 4 a.m., 4 p.m., it's a 4 hour candle. Let me look at the days. So all right, so it's engulfing. Bullish engulfing is formed on 29th, yesterday. So right now it's in right here is 257 is a uh, good supply zone. So we will wait for that, and over 5 minutes or 10 minutes we can try to look again. It is trying to make a one level here. As I said, 229 will be our 229 will be our today's support, and 235 235. If it is crossed 236, then you are good to go. You can open a call above it. Below that, as I said, 230 and 229. You should always write down the levels, because those are very important levels, right? If you write down the levels, your trading will be successful. If not, then it's very hard. So let's revisit our BTC. What's BTC is doing again? We can go back and always look at the BTC. We'll go here. We go to the Coinbase BTC. As I said, it tapped the position over 1 minute. I should look. See, I told you. It will try to hit this zone and try to go up. And this is what it is doing right now. And the first target is this 66,859. The bounce was expected, and now it will go here 66,858. No, I don't see any supply in between, even in 1 minute. Yeah, and it's break the trend line, it tests the trend line, and then it's going up. It made very small supply zone here. It might test again, but it will go up to here. That's the target. This is our target. 66,860. First target. It achieved the first target already, and now it is heading to second PT, which is 66,800. You can offload the position little bit here, or just take the risk. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do the thing. It will go up for sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will go to 66,848. So we will watch in another like 5 minutes. It will just keep doing the same thing. Now it make a new trend line right here. Yeah, right now stop loss, as I said, right? 66 around 511. Yes, this is the stop loss. And the target is this for sure. It's 66,863. I mentioned already. As previously, 66,500 was our supply and it crosses that already. So it's going here. Yes, 66,859. Yes, that's our second target. First target is already hit. Now we are waiting for our second target. And now our trailing stop is this. Trailing stop will be about this one, where it bounce. Yes, that is where it bounce always. And when it goes up, it will just, like it do dancing all the time because we have little bit resistance here. So what it will do, it will just try to do some confirmation, will try to do extra confluence, and then it will go up. Yes, that is where I wanted to see for sure 66 860. Slowly it will go up. And in the morning session I always noticed, whenever the US is about to open, 1 hour and 30 minutes, then like the Bitcoin pump an hour before, and then they started to dump when the market opens. So that is where we have to maintain our levels. We need to be aware what we are doing, right? So all we have to do is just wait and be very patient with the positions. When you open the position, you should be patient. If you have a stop loss and everything right in the place, then you are good to go. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, so first thing in the market is what important is to save your capital. If you save your capital, then only you can go and you can play more plays. So suppose in one play, you got all your capital in and you lose all your capital. What will happen? Can you go for the next play? No. So trading is a marathon. Take it as a marathon. Yes, sometimes it's a good luck and you guys can earn more just by buying quickly and sell quickly. Yes. So all you have to do is wait and look for the price action. Once the price action is in your favor, what all you can do, once the price action is in your favor, you are good to go. You can get into the trades by setting up your level. It is showing little bit resistance here, but still I can see, this U structure is always a bullish. It will try to do the dance here as it always does. Yeah, I'm trying to see the canvas. All you have to do is just tell me which stock you want me to look at, and I can look it at for you. All we can do is wait here. We will wait and then we'll buy the position. We'll open the position again. That's very important. So you can go on SPY again. You can go. Tesla, SPY. You have to tell me which stock you are interested in today. It had not lost any level so far. Right now, 66535 is the support if you have opened any position, any long position. 66,749 is our TP. 66,749, yes, on BTC. It has created one more demand zone here. If you want me to ask, I can tell you what exactly I mean. It is try to create another demand zone. Let me create a small rectangle here. You see this was a supply zone, right? And now if you look at these levels, right, it is trying to create another supply zone. So all I can do is make a green. Yeah, and this is important level again. So I don't think so. It will just break immediately. It will do number of retest and then it will try to go up again. Yeah, this will be the target 66. Maybe some data is pending in the US today, I guess. Wait and patience is the key in this stock and the crypto market. Yes, this is our target 66,864. Yeah, if it holds here. First PT is hit already. I'm just waiting for the second PT to go green. Yes, the momentum is up on 1 minute. Let me see on 5 minutes. You can see the trend is again up on 5 minutes too. On 15 minutes, 15 minute you can see it is trying to making. So slowly the trend changes. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. The trend will not change immediately, right? So if you look at 1 minute, as I said, this is the sideways, and in sideways they are trying to trap both buyers and the seller. But if it is hold here on this particular level, then like there's a good chance it will just go up. 66,535 is the level. Yeah, just volume again is a little bit slow, but eventually that's the target. As I said, 66,858 and will go for sure. Right now it's trapping the buyer and the seller, but if you look here, this new trend, this is uptrend again. It's keep trying to change the trend. It's going from here to here, and we have to wait. 66,598 is another support at this level, right over 1 minute. It will bounce there. As it touches 66,598, it will bounce. Okay, 599, 594. Mm-hmm. If it's regain 598, it will try to go up again. It does all the time, right? Trap the buyers, trap the sellers, both side. So until unless I'm pretty sure it will not hit this zone again, it cannot go more up. They try to make it like a double top condition here. बाउंस होएगा ही नहीं यहाँ पे, राइट? यहाँ पे ये सीधा नहीं चले जाएगा इसको. So every 1 minute candle is telling me that Yeah, this was the demand zone. As I said, it will retest the demand zone. Try to go a little bit up again. See here, and try to retest it, right? So if I remove this, it has already made a zone, right? And if it break this particular level, then the next is this. So there are demand zones sitting, two demand zones sitting in this area, right? Next, it will try retest this 393. It is coming on this one. It's close to 66,400 now. So one, two, three, third retest, right? If I make this one, two, three, four, and five. This is the fifth retest it is doing. Over 1 minute. See, 1 minute charting is always dangerous, but you can always take a look what exactly is happening. If it is break this level, then you can open a short position, and short position will be here. Only the confirmation 66,389. Below this will be a short position. Yeah, and this will be a stop loss again. अगर ये टूटता है तो only. And this short position target will be this. Yes. Until unless this, as I told you, this is about validation. I given the levels here. Until unless this structure is not break, it's not nothing gonna happen with the BTC. Again on a trend line, try to break the trend line to go up. As I said, like it will tap the zone. I written here already. If bounce at this level, 1 minute US market usually go BTC up in the session morning. So 66,400 touches, 66,400 already touches, and now, as I said, it started to show up the bullish momentum again. You see, and now to touch this level. So you see, look at this. This is clear, very clear. On 1 minute, it is showing the support, 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 and it want to go up. That's all the BTC trying to say. So these are the zones. So you can have a both kind of time frame in your mind, and this time it will break this. Yeah, it created a new supply which is 66,678. Yes. So once it created a new supply, it will again, like try to retest this 66,678. And if it break this one, it'll go here. But to reach there, it require another pump, which is coming already. In just two bullish engulfing candle, it eat up all the bears right here. So if I look at how many candle, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, seven candle, right? And if I look at 3 minutes, in just 3 minutes, it eat up all the bears, right? All the buyers kicked in, and they eat up all the sellers. So it's at the demand zone. Okay, now we are waiting for our targets. 1, 2, 3 minutes. 3 minute, three engulfing, bullish engulfing candle. And I will see, I'm damn sure it will see some resistance here, and it will try to do the same. किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो बोलो मेरे को. आई विल जस्ट ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन कि हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना. बताओगे तो मैं आगे बढ़ाऊंगा इस चीज को. हाँ, हमारा ट्रेड ओपन है ऑलरेडी। एक एक हमारा प्रॉफिट हो चुका है यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी। यहाँ मैंने दिया था तो एक फर्स्ट पीटी हिट हो चुका है। सेकंड पीटी इज 66,800। बस इसका वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग। सेकंड पीटी हिट होते ही एक बार ही सेकंड अगर पीटी हिट हो गया प्राइस टारगेट राइट, तो ये हमारा 66,900 तक जाने के चांसेस हैं इसको। बट एक बार ये निकला ना 715 तोड़ के तो फटाफट ऊपर निकल जाएगा। इट विल जस्ट डायरेक्टली गो अप इफ इट्स ब्रेक 66,717 because it created new supply here. Yes, it will just keep on doing the same thing. All we require in the stock market is the patience. So, you know, all right, guys. So we can start it look again. We can look at the SPY levels for today. As the stock market gonna be open in another 1.5 hour. Look at SPY, what it is doing. So this is 5 minute. It opens in the morning. Let me look at 15 minutes charting. So SPY is creating a demand zone here. The level is 545.13 this morning, and it looks like it is trying to moving up. Every time the buyers appear whenever they are trying to selling here. So what all we can do is yesterday the market closes here. This was the lowest fix 543. It opens already green, which is a dollar and 24 cents in the money. So what all we can do, and I can see the support is keep 545.19. So that is our supply zone. That is our demand zone for today. If it's break 545.15, then it's good chances it can go more down. So we will take confirmation on this one before open any position. And on the upside, if it's, the resistance yesterday was 547. I don't see any other resistance so far. Let me look at 1 minute. There is always a less volume in the morning. In 1 minute, we cannot use 1 minute, at least the 5 minute. So we can have more candles appear on the graph to give the real perspective. Right, so all we can do is see it's try to create a supply. It is close to supply, which is 546.36. Yeah, in pre-market, if it's break, there's a good chance that the market opens. It will enter here 547, 548. It can go easily. Let's look at BTC again on 5 minutes, right? Let's see 1 minute. Three candles came. Yeah. Okay, here you go. Okay, so you see the trend line was forming here and now it is bouncing over the trend line. It is taking support on this trend line, try to go up. But as I said, like if this level break, then only open the short position if you want to, with a target of 66, 680, 65, 680. Yes. Until that, the positions are good to go. All we can do is wait for the confirmations, and once we have confirmation, we can again get into the buy side of the market. Yeah, as I say, right? I mean, look at the trend. Always, it try to make a bearish trend here, and now it is taking a trend line. We have one PT hit already, and it is keep making, keep bouncing at this area, this zone. This zone is crucial zone. If it breaks this 381, then it will go more down up to here, 65,947. And in this trend, right, as the after heavy selling since yesterday, there's a good chance it can see new lows. Yeah, always look for 5-10 minutes, just to get more idea what exactly going on. This will be long position, this will be short position. Don't get trapped in the middle of this. Yeah, there is a good chances. But if you look at overall structure, overall trend, it is still, the bears are more in control. So I cannot say this is bullish. 100 पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस लेंगे हम लोग. अगर एक बार ये और 64,300 हिट किया ना, लेकिन यहाँ पे सपोर्ट ले रहा है यार, टोटल सपोर्ट है इसको, ये टोटल सपोर्ट है। ठीक है, इस बार अगर हिट किया तो बढ़िया जाएगा ये। देख रहे हो स्ट्रक्चर, देख रहे हो तुम, सपोर्ट लेके जा रहा है। अब के बीटी से निकल जाएगा भाई, ये 80 तोड़वा देंगे इसको, ये इस हिसाब से लेके चल रहे हैं बीटीसी को।